Dear student, welcome to our virtual class. I am Rafiqul Islam Mollik, Assistant Teacher English, SM Model Government High School. Today, we will learn about a very important topic from the textbook English for Today. The class will be for the student of class 6. Now, look at the picture and guess what they are doing. They are going to a school. So the lesson declaration. So the lesson is going to a new school. So our main topic is going to a new school. Learning outcomes. After completing these lessons, student will be able to read and understand the text, talk about people, places, and familiar object in short and simple sentences. Write short paragraph. Going to the section A and trying to about Torun. So read the from and see what Torun has written about himself. My name is Torun Chaudhary. I am 11 years old. I have brown eyes, brown hair, and I am 4 feet 3 inches tall. I am good at playing football and drawing. My hobbies are collecting stamps and reading. Number 6. I like to read comic books and peanuts and eat peanuts. I really don't like any kind of soft drinks. So here is the basic information of Torun's life that has been written in a note in a form. Now write the similar information about yourself. So what you have to do, following the Torun forms, you have to fill up your form about yourself. The information is what's your name. So after reading this form, you have to fill up this form, taking the information as from the form of Toruns. So section B, read the following passage about Torun's first day in the new school. So it is most important for the student, because after reading this passage you have to collect some information from this passage and write down this information in your answer sheet. So now let's go to our passage. First day at the school was interesting, and I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. We reached school after 15 minutes. My father said goodbye and left me at the school gate. I went in and found that every student had gone to school. I walked into the classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted me. I found students very friendly in my new classes. So, read the following statement, write true and false beside the statements, give correct information for the false statement. Torun's first day at new school was interesting. Torun went to his new school by rickshaw. Torun's father left him at school gate. They reached school after 15 minutes. Torun found students very friendly in the school. So you what are duty for the student in this context? You have to answer the question and select what is false, what is true. If it is false, you have to give the answer in correct format. So after that, here are some keywords like goodbye. Torun's father said goodbye and left him at the school gate. So similar meaning, goodbye means farewell. Another keyword, interesting. My first day at the school was very interesting. The similar keyword remarkable means interesting, exciting and enjoyable, which are also means interesting. Another keyword warmly. My sister received her friend warmly, meaning affectionately and cordially. Another keyword greet. That means welcome or receive. My friends also greeted me warmly. Individual word. Open your book and read silently, then match a word from column A with a word from column B that has similar meaning. So you have to match two sections, the section 1A or section B. Difficult. The word is difficult means complicated. Stuck means jammed. Similar word. Traffic. Similar word. Travel. Direction means road. Group or pair works. Follow the conversation and talk with your friends about your first day in school and how you felt, like happy, frightened, excited or embarrassed. So here, what you what's your duty in this section? You have to you have to find out the experience that when you have gone to a new school, like, and what's your feelings, like happy, frightened, excited or embarrassed. Homework. Write a paragraph about your first day at school within 5 sentences. So, no more today, with best luck. If you have a question, keep it below. I will answer your question next day. Till that, have a good day. Bye bye.